The first night the cameras caught him, the billionaire felt a chill crawl up her spine as the glow of 42 surveillance screens washed over her private control room. In one frame, a man in a janitor's uniform moved quietly through a marble hallway, his shoulders slumped with exhaustion, his eyes heavy with a life that had given him very little. In another, he paused beneath a crystal chandelier worth more than his yearly wages and pressed his palm to his chest as if steadying a pain no one else could see. She had installed the cameras to protect her fortune, to control a world she believed was built on betrayal. But in that moment, watching the single dad janitor breathe through his silent struggle, something inside her carefully fortified heart began to crack. Before the story unfolds any further, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to KNH Stories if you believe in kindness and second chances. Your support keeps stories like this alive, and maybe, just maybe, reminds the world that compassion still matters. The mansion belonged to her, a self-made billionaire who had learned early that trust was a luxury she could not afford. Her childhood had been a revolving door of broken promises, and success had only sharpened her fear of losing everything. The cameras were her armor, hidden behind walls, mirrors, and artwork, silently watching every corner of her home. She told herself it was security, but in truth, it was control. When the janitor was hired through a third-party service, she barely noticed him. He was just another worker passing through her world of glass and steel, someone invisible by design. The man's life beyond the mansion was anything but invisible. Each morning before dawn, he left a cramped apartment where his young daughter slept curled around a stuffed animal with a missing eye. His wife had died 2 years earlier after a sudden illness, leaving him with grief, debt, and a child who depended on him for everything. He worked nights because they paid a little more, because daytime hours were reserved for school pickups, homework help, and stretching pennies until they screamed. The janitor's hands were rough, his back constantly aching, but his heart was stubbornly gentle in a world that kept trying to harden it. The cameras began to show things the billionaire never expected to see. She saw him stop to fix a loose railing no one had reported, carefully wiping away his fingerprints as if afraid of leaving a trace of himself behind. She saw him pick up a fallen photograph of her late parents and set it upright with surprising tenderness. One night, he noticed a storm had blown rain through an open window into the library. Instead of ignoring it, he worked for hours drying books, saving first editions worth more than his entire apartment building. He never knew he was being watched. He never asked for recognition. He simply did what felt right, even when no one was looking. Yet his greatest challenge was not the work itself, but the quiet weight he carried inside. There were nights when he leaned against a wall, eyes closed, whispering prayers for strength. There were moments when his phone buzzed with messages from the school about overdue fees, and he swallowed panic before returning to his mop and bucket. The billionaire watched him struggle in silence, her suspicion slowly dissolving into something unfamiliar. She had expected to catch theft, laziness, or betrayal. Instead, she found integrity. The turning point came late one evening when an alarm triggered in the West Wing. The billionaire rushed to the monitors, her heart pounding with the old fear of loss. The camera showed the janitor kneeling beside a collapsed elderly housekeeper who had slipped on the polished floor. He had wrapped his jacket around her shoulders, propped her head carefully, and called for emergency help using his own phone. He stayed with her until help arrived, holding her hand, ignoring the fact that he could be blamed for the incident or fired for being in a restricted area. In that moment, the billionaire realized the cameras had been watching the wrong person all along. Something shifted inside her after that night. She began to see her mansion differently, not as a fortress, but as a place filled with human stories she had ignored. The janitor's quiet acts of kindness echoed her own forgotten values, buried beneath years of ambition and fear. She started leaving the control room lights off, letting the screens go dark for hours at a time. Control no longer felt as important as understanding. As days passed, she quietly investigated his life, learning about his daughter, his losses, and his relentless effort to keep going. She recognized the same loneliness she carried, masked by wealth instead of exhaustion. The cameras that once symbolized distrust now felt like a mirror reflecting her own emptiness. For the first time in years, she questioned whether protecting her fortune had cost her something far more valuable. The change did not come with grand gestures, but with small, deliberate choices. She arranged for his pay to increase without explanation, covered school fees through an anonymous foundation, and ensured the elderly housekeeper received full medical support. The janitor noticed the relief easing his burdens but never knew its source. He simply felt, for the first time since his wife's death, that the world might not be entirely against him. In the end, the billionaire stood alone in the control room, staring at the cameras she no longer needed. She understood now that watching people did not reveal their true nature, seeing them did. The janitor had walked into her life as a faceless employee and unknowingly taught her what trust, kindness, and second chances truly meant. She powered down the system, letting the mansion exist without eyes on every corner, and felt lighter than she had in decades. If this story touched your heart, please take a moment to like, share, and engage with this video. Your support helps spread stories that remind us all of the power of compassion. And just before you go, comment below and tell us what kindness means to you, because sometimes a single act, seen or unseen, can change two lives forever.